Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about all things skincare. And when I say skincare, I'm not just talking about the face, I'm talking about the body too. So I have a whole bunch of products in front of me here. All of these items are products that I have been using pretty much every day, every other day. I incorporate them into my routine pretty much in one way or another every single day. So these are all of my favorites from face to body. I'm going to show you guys everything that I use. And when it comes to my face, I will go step by step through which products I use daily, which ones I use at night, which ones I use every other day, and so forth and so forth. So first off, let's talk about how I recently reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm not going to go over that too much, obviously, because I want everything to be focused on skincare, but I am super excited about that. I just want to take a moment to thank everybody who has been watching my videos, supporting me, commenting, interacting with me, following me on Instagram there and interacting with me there, and all of the beautiful, nice, positive feedback that I have been getting. It means the world to me. I am so appreciative. You guys have no clue. So I just want to take a moment to thank everyone who has taken time out of their day to continually watch my videos, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. You know, it's so special to me, and I want to thank all of you guys who have been traveling through this journey with me thus far, and I hope to be doing this for a really long time. So before we get started, I hope that you will hit subscribe there on that subscribe button down below before you go. If you like the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to talk about is stuff for the face. I find that obviously taking care of the skin on your face is very important. I think that a lot of people turn to makeup for miracles. They think that a foundation or a primer or something along those lines is going to be what cures anything wrong with their skin, and that's just not the case. If, you know, for example, you eat like crap, your skin's probably gonna look like crap. Usually over the holidays, or if you binge on some shitty food, you're gonna see it in your face and pretty much anywhere on your skin. So it's really important there. That's the first thing to think about. Secondly is how well you take care of your skin. Are you moisturizing? Are you even something as if, are you sleeping, if you live in a dry climate, are you sleeping next to a humidifier at night? You know, all those kinds of things. Are you exfoliating, removing your makeup properly? Now, of course, my skin is not perfect. I get zits. I have, blemish here, here, and here right now. It happens. So the first thing I want to talk about is how I remove my makeup. So if I have makeup on, this is going to be the first thing I do. No matter what, before I wash, before I do anything, I want to get all that makeup off my face. So I am a huge fan of the Simple Water Boost Micellar Cleansing Water. There's two different ones. They have their regular formula, and then this one is for dehydrated, dry skin. I could not recommend this product anymore. Like, this is a necessity. It's great for sensitive skin. It says it's dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic. It has no artificial perfume or colors, harsh chemicals that can irritate the skin. This one is just fantastic. It breaks up makeup like none other. This takes off even the most stingy of the stingiest brow products, mascara, even liquid lipsticks. This stuff is a must. So this I find at Target. This one is a bargain. It's $8.99. You get 13.5 fluid ounces. And then I just use one of these Target brand premium cotton ovals. I take two of them out, saturate both the pads pretty well. I'll hold them over my eyes for about 15 seconds each, gently rub, and it just breaks the makeup right up. It is amazing. And then I'll just go ahead and work the rest of it on my face. And then sometimes I even go in with a third saturated pad, and then I'll just go over my face again just to make sure everything is off. Go through and do it if you haven't tried this before. Take the third pad, wipe out. You will see that all of the makeup is gone. It is incredible. It is fantastic. So again, this is the Simple Water Boost Micellar Cleansing Water. Fantastic. This is a must. As far as cleansing my skin, there's two different products that I like to use. So for everyday stuff, I've been using the Purity by Philosophy. This stuff is amazing. This one says it melts away makeup. I don't really know how I feel about that. I really feel like most face cleansers leave some sort of a makeup residue behind. That is why I recommend going in with the micellar water first and then cleansing your face. This one just leaves my skin feeling so soft, so smooth. It doesn't dry it out too much. It doesn't leave you with like that tight, dry skin after using it. So I like to use this day and night. The second product I think is important to use, and this one is actually probably my favorite out of everything is the MICRODELIVERY Exfoliating Face Wash by Philosophy. Most of the stuff I'm going to be showing you is by this brand. This one is made, you can use this daily, which is awesome. It has very fine exfoliating particles in it. It just works like a dream. It makes your skin so soft. It sloughs off, you know, dry skin and all that stuff just enough without irritating it. If you have sensitive skin, you know, they say to use this maybe once every other day. But if your skin isn't too finicky, you can use this as your face wash and use this every day. So it says it scrubs away impurities and the buildup of dead skin cells. Then it says it will resurface skin texture to reveal even-toned, healthy-looking skin. And it can even refine the look of fine lines and pores. So I really truly do feel this does make a difference in that. Someone who does have fine lines and enlarged pores on their forehead like me, I can vouch for this and tell you that this is absolutely incredible. This one does not contain any parabens, which I'm pretty excited about. So the next thing I want to talk about that I have tried out is the MicroDelivery peel process here that I have. So these are two different products. So the first one you have here is the vitamin C peptide resurfacing crystals. I'll open this up. It just smells like vitamin C. None of this stuff has any like really harsh added fragrances or anything in it, which is awesome. But here's what it looks like inside of the container. Obviously, I've been using this. So how this works is you take about a teaspoon out of the container. I like to warm it up between my fingertips and then go ahead and gently work it into the skin. And you put it on almost like a mask. So you leave that there. Once you have that on, then you add the lactic salicylic acid activating gel. So you take about a teaspoon of this in your hands. And so then you would add this, put that over it, and then it will kind of like foam up and you leave it on for like 3 to 5 minutes. This is this is like a mini peel. This is like an intense exfoliation, again, without being too irritating. I have noticed some redness to my skin after using this, but that's to be expected. Anything with salicylic acid, lactic acid, anything like that, you know, is going to work on resurfacing the skin and breaking up dead skin cells on another level versus just using like this one here, the MicroDelivery Exfoliating Facial Wash. This will do a little bit more for you. This I do about twice a week. Like I said, it's like a mask, so I just chill out 3 to 5 minutes, put this on, and then go about putting on my moisturizers. So move on to some serums. I have a couple here. I have one by Medica. This is actually more of a hydrator. I guess I wouldn't really call this a serum, but this is the HA5. This is pretty much a concentrated, I can't think of the word. This is like a concentrated version of a hyaluronic acid. So this is going to be like a moisture boost. So if you have very dry skin, something like this, or even if you don't have really dry skin, hyaluronic acid is amazing for you. It's something that your body naturally produces. It will plump the skin, keeps skin hydrated, soft, can help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, pores, all of that kind of stuff. This one is more on the spendy side. This is more of a medical grade type formula versus being cosmeceutical, which is where Philosophy, La Mer, Tatcha, anything like that is all going to be cosmeceutical. And what that means is it doesn't go past that dermis layer of the skin. It's all very surface level. This kind of stuff is going to go deeper and soak further into the skin. It just has different ingredients. You will notice that things that are generally more expensive will fall into that category because they're doing even more, they're reaching more on a cellular level. The next one I want to talk about is the Time in a Bottle. This one is like a repair serum. So anytime, I like to use this after I do any kind of exfoliating because I really feel like it's getting in there, repairing the skin, again, working on early signs of aging. This one is fantastic for that. Again, this is the Time in a Bottle by Philosophy. So both of these I kind of just switch off after I cleanse. It just depends. I typically like to use this one at night and this one more during the day so that when I wake up, my skin is, you know, plumped and hydrated and it just feels really nice. And now let's move on to the last part, which would be moisturization. So the two products that I have been using is the Renewed Hope in a Jar. I have the white one, this is for day, and then the black jar, this is for night. So in the morning, after I do my, you know, cleanse, exfoliate, wherever I am in the week as far as the steps in my skincare, I will use this in the morning to moisturize. And then when I wash my face at night, I will use this one. This one's just a little bit thicker, a little bit denser. It's just meant for an overnight moisturization. So these are absolutely fantastic. They smell incredible. I have been loving these. The last thing I want to mention for the face, now this is technically a primer, but I have to talk about this. This is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. This is a replenishing primer and setting spray. This actually contains coconut water and probiotic based ingredients. What's awesome about this is even if you're going for like a no makeup day, after you know you've washed and prepped your skin and everything, this just feels so nice. It's just like, it's like a pick-me-up. You can just spritz this on the skin and it just makes your skin just feel refreshed. It just feels rejuvenating. I just absolutely love it. The other reason why I want to mention this is because it is silicone-free, alcohol-free, and oil-free. However, it is still hydrating and it just smells like the hint of natural coconut. It is incredible. I've been setting my makeup with this for like the past week and I am obsessed. I am loving this spray. So again, this is the Too Faced Prime, Set, and Refresh Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. This stuff is incredible. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the body. I just have a few lotions and scrubs I want to talk about quickly. The first one I will mention is the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub. I have mine in the scent Pomegranate, Acai, or Acai, however you say that. I love this product. I actually get this at Ulta. I believe you can get this tub for like $8. You get 18 ounces. A little goes a long way. And it just smells so fresh. It smells like sweet tarts, but like tangy sour almost. Like, I am in love with it. It has like moisturizing shea butter beads in here, and it is a sugar-based scrub. So it has some oils infused. Looks like it has almond oil, avocado oil, so it exfoliates and will moisturize the skin at the same time. So you can just use this when you're in the shower. It'll slough off dead skin, and it just leaves your skin with just a hint of oil on it. Not to the point where it feels sticky or gross or anything like that, but it exfoliates and hydrates. So I absolutely love this as an all-over body scrub. Again, this is by Tree Hut. You can get it for like $8 at Ulta. A lotion that I've been loving to use for my hands recently is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. This is the Intense Hydration. It's a skin protectant with Fab Antioxidant Booster. Now this you can use all over the body, but right now, since I am so dry, to be honest with you guys, even this isn't even cutting it for my entire body right now. But for my hands, it's perfect. And the reason I say that is that look how thick this is in here. The reason why I say that is because of the fact that it's so thick, it's also not greasy. And I hate feeling oily, thick lotions on my hands. This doesn't do that. It has no harsh scents, no parabens, no chemicals, no colorants. It's just as natural as you're going to get. And you can even use this on your face as well. So you can use this everywhere. But I just wanted to point out that I'm absolutely loving this for my hands right now. It's saved my life as far as having dry hands in the winter. Another one I'll talk about for the body is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Now this is the smaller travel size. I know you guys have heard so much about this, but the smell, oh my God, so not only does the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream smell incredible, like I will go in my bathroom and just open this just so I can smell it because it's just so good. It's like a pistachio, just like nutty but caramely, hints of pear. Like you can just smell all these just amazing notes in it. It just smells so good. Leaves your skin feeling pretty soft. I don't think this is the most hydrating lotion in the world, but for the scent and for like the spring, summer months when your skin just isn't all that dry, I absolutely love this. It does have some firming and tightening properties in it. So if you're going on spring break, vacation anytime soon to somewhere where it's going to be warm and you want to have like a glow to your skin, it does have some micro reflex in it. So it's beautiful when you're sitting on the beach. It just gives your skin this beautiful scent, first of all, and just this hydrated suppleness that's just perfect for that time of year. That's why I wanted to throw this out there because I know that people are going to be vacationing soon, and this little guy is someone that you definitely want to take with you and travel with because it's amazing, and it's 2.5 ounces, so you can travel with this. It is awesome. All right, so the last two things I want to talk about are some body lotions. I talked about this in my drugstore favorites or my affordable favorite beauty products. This is the Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E. This is a godsend if you just have really dry skin, itchy skin because of if you're in a cold winter climate like me. This is a lifesaver. It is so thick and buttery and soft, and it leaves your skin so supple and smooth and hydrated, like all day hydration. This is fantastic. I use this right when I get out of the shower and it lasts all day long. Even when I'm hopping into bed, my skin feels extremely hydrated. And the smell is amazing too. So this one smells amazing. It smells like the Too Faced chocolate bar palette because of that cocoa butter that's in it. That's exactly what it reminds me of. This is a favorite. And then last but not least, the OGX. This is the Extra Creamy plus Coconut Miracle Oil. This is a lotion. It says, obviously, it just has coconut oil. That's really weird. Coconut Miracle Oil Lotion. That's how I should have read that. This is if you love coconut vanilla flavor together, like real vanilla bean scent, not like that artificial vanilla. Oh my God, this smells fantastic. This is another one that I'll just find myself like, if I could pick one thing to smell like for the rest of my life, it would be this lotion. And again, a drugstore find, $7.99. This is fantastic. It has actual coconut oil in it, essence of TR, vanilla bean extract. So this is fantastic. Again, if you have fairly dry skin, it just leaves it supple, smooth, without feeling greasy or heavy. And you smell like a tropical vacation when you put it on. It is amazing. I absolutely love this for the body. So I hope that this gave you guys a good idea, maybe some idea for products if you've been looking for something new as of recent, you know, anything from, you know, exfoliating, or if you've had questions about, you know, in what order you're supposed to do your face routine. I hope that this helped you out a lot. Again, I sure hope that you will hit that subscribe button before you go. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know again if you made it all the way to the end. I love when you guys do that. I want to thank you so much, of course, for watching. You guys know that I appreciate it like none other. I love my audience. I love you guys so much. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye.